video, I'm going to talk about why the future is bright for Python programmers. What is Python? Python is a general-purpose programming language that is easy to learn and use. It is also very powerful and versatile, and it can be used for a wide variety of tasks, including web development, data science, machine learning, and more. Why is the future bright for Python programmers? There are a number of reasons why the future is bright for Python programmers. First, Python is becoming increasingly popular. In fact, it is now one of the most popular programming languages in the world. This means that there is a growing demand for Python programmers, and salaries for Python developers are on the rise. Second, Python is a very versatile language. It can be used for a wide variety of tasks, which means that Python programmers have a lot of career options. For example, Python programmers can work in web development, data science, machine learning, and many other fields. Third, Python is a very easy language to learn. This means that anyone can learn Python, regardless of their background or experience. This makes Python a great choice for people who are new to programming or who want to learn a new programming language. In conclusion, the future is bright for Python programmers. Python is a popular, versatile, and easy-to-learn language. If you are interested in a career in programming, Python is a great language to learn. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Associative V provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, web development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 9028850524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.